Communication Walls by Surtech. The innovative and versatile wall coverings make your wall a creative playing surface and thus the ideal stage for your messages. Each of our wall coverings can be affixed bubble-free on paperable and smooth surfaces. With a wall covering Screenboard, Whiteboard, or Blackboard, you transform your area into a communication wall. You will get even more creativity and flexibility with our multifunction system. Simply choose the Magnetic Fleece 2000 as a wall covering. Paper and paint with a color of your choice. If required, apply the Whiteboard or Screenboard magnet sheet effortlessly without adhesive. Remove anytime and keep it until next use. The magnetic coverings are delivered as custom-made blanks. Every representation of your message is shown in a uniquely creative way with fascinating flexibility. Communication surfaces with magnetic properties. Another innovation from Surtech. More information can be found at www.surtech.de.